Hey Susie.
Hey Rob, how are you feeling today?
I would say good, but I cannot believe how bloody hot it is in here.
Yeah, usually you complain about everything, but I agree with you. We need to get this Annapolis office cooled down.
Well, what should we do?
What should we do? Haha. That is a silly question. We should call the HVAC repairman.
Wow, Susie, sometimes I underestimate your brilliance.
LOL, trust me, I think we would all get a little more brilliant once our air conditioner is fixed.
You got that right, Susie Sue. Have a good day.
You too, Rob D. Bob.